Hi fellas, in this video we're gonna talk about pull requests. But first, did you saw the previous videos? Cause we might need it. No worries, here's a summary of it. We've installed Git, the first step done, created the repo, our coding's begun, forked the project, it's ours to explore, cloned to our machine, ready for more. Now comes the time to commit a file. Tracking changes, we go the extra mile. Branches will help us keep things clear. Pull requests await, our code's premiere. Step by step, we grow and learn. In Git's world, it's now our turn. So, let's dive in and write some code. This is the start of the Git Learner's Road. Okay, I've opened my repository in my VS Code and created this file. This is a simple file. This is a simple README file. Now, let's head to terminal and commit this file. First commit ever. I forgot to add that file and then commit it. Okay, this is a commit message and this is going to tell Git to stage it and commit it. If you want to go to the details for that, go see my previous videos. Now that we have committed this file, let's push it to the branch. We come here and say git push origin master. It asks for my credentials, GitHub credentials. When it's successful, it looks something like this. Now head over to our branch, hit refresh. There's this file, first commit ever. But how can we move this file to the original repository? Okay, we want to talk about branches first. We have an original repository here, which is running on main branch, which is called master. On the branch master, we have created the commits. First commit, second one, third one, fourth one. And we created a fork repository out of this by coming to the repository and saying, hey, we want to make a copy of your branch, making a copy of your repository. We fork this repository into another branch. It's a duplicate, it's a copy of the main branch, and we commit our own changes. For example, just like we did, we commit some other changes, doesn't matter how many times you want to commit, and we want to merge those changes into an original repository. Okay, there are two ways to do this, but now I want to talk about pull requests. Okay, in my own repository, I come in pull requests here and click on new pull request. Comparing changes, the base repository should be rename/git good in git base master and compare it with another user with could be yours, and the file changes should be like this. My pull request title should be explanatory. For example, like we could say added readme file. Hey, I just added readme file to this repository. I thought you might need it. Okay, we click on create pull request, and when we create a new pull request, as the repository owner would see this pull request and I say, this is a good change. I come in here and see the file changes. I might need a readme file here. So I click on here and I confirm merge. See here, I confirm my merge request. When you fork my repository, I can work on many different things alongside you. For example, think of a colleague. For example, your colleague want to work on something else in a project, work on another feature, and you want to work on something that you were working on. Your colleague would create another fork or create another branch like feature. What can I say for feature? OTP. Okay, your colleague wants to work on the OTP of the authentication and you want to work on something else. So you keep on working here as you can see here, commits first, commit second, after the fork or after the new branch. Your colleague can merge it with a pull request or merge it directly into the branch. But know that someone had to have a permission for merging that. This is my own repo, I can merge it I want. In my own repo, now I have this file, readme.md, that has been merged to my own repository via pull requests. This is how you can upload your code and contribute to other repositories as well. This is a good practice. I recommend you to practice it in your home. You can use this branch. I'll try to put the link in the description because right now YouTube doesn't allow me to put links in the description. But use this branch to practice around your own files, make some changes, make some commits, and pull request me and create a new pull request and send me your new codes. Create something on everything, a txt file, a readme file, modify these changes. This is for practicing, right? So in the next video, we're going to talk about creating your own repository online on GitHub. Stick around. Bye bye.